we are fitting a Bilstein B16 kit to get a slight drop over the OEM. We're only aiming for about 10 mil, so it'll be slightly higher than you see it on the lowering springs, but more importantly, it will restore the handling of the vehicle so the customer can truly enjoy this epic little hot hatch. The OE dampers and top mounts had reached the end of their service life, had started to knock, creak, and make some funny noises, so it's time to sort it properly. The MK4 R32 is a special car and we think it deserves to drive like one. So let's get it into the workshop and get this upgrade underway.
Okay, so we have one of the front corners apart on the R32. I've got it on the bench next to the new Bilstein B16, so let's quickly run you through the differences. Okay, so here on the left we have the OE setup, and on the right the new Bilstein B16. So as you can see, the OE damper is super crusty, definitely in need of a replacement, as well as the lowering spring that is on there as well. All of it is super crusty and definitely past its prime. Now moving on to the Bilstein B16, so here you can see the height adjustment, which will allow us to dial in the ride height, and then down at the bottom here we have the compression and rebound adjuster, so you can really dial it in and get the car feeling exactly how you want on the street. So we are going to crack on and get the front installed, and then we will move on to the rear.
We have now fitted the Bilstein B16s to the MK4 R32. As I said in the intro, we haven't gone for anything crazy low because the customer is looking out for speed bumps and things like that, because these VR6s are notoriously low in the engine bay and you don't want to crack your sump. But even with the ride height that we've gone with, I still think it looks absolutely mega. We have set them on the slightly softer side because this is, of course, a road car and not a track car. But the ride quality is absolutely amazing. Soaks up bumps super nicely, but still feels really direct. No weird knocks and bangs, nothing out of the ordinary. While we were in there, we also replaced the front top mounts, front drop links, and the rear drop links, just to make sure everything is exactly as it should be on this car, and for the customer to enjoy it for many years to come. So if you want to purchase any of the parts you saw us install today, head over to shop.regalautosport.com and you'll be able to buy them there. If you sign up to the Club Regal newsletter, you'll be able to get 5% off your first online order. Or if you fancy getting us to fit it for you, we can offer that service here in our workshop in Southampton, and you can find us at regalautosport.com and get your car booked in. Thank you for watching today's video. We will see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.